Electricity distribution companies face a relentless problem: revenue loss through ghost installations, poor installation standards, and electricity fraud. The lack of reliable data creates a massive compliance and financial risk. For QTech, ensuring accountability, traceability, and accurate customer data during large-scale meter installation was a logistical and regulatory nightmare. They needed a solution that guaranteed compliance in the field every single time. e86 custom-developed eMeterTrack, a mobile and web application built for the toughest field conditions. This platform was QTech's answer to eliminating installation errors and minimizing fraud. eMeterTrack enforces accountability from the ground up. It verifies every installer, captures mandatory geo-tagged data, and uses QR scanning to prevent meter duplication. Crucially, its offline-first functionality ensures accurate data is captured and synced, regardless of connectivity. The result is a transformation of operational integrity. QTech now has full visibility, an ironclad audit trail of every meter installed, and powerful new tools for fraud detection and prevention. This is technology ensuring transparency and financial security. If your organization is struggling with fraud, compliance, or fragmented field data, let e86 engineer a platform for true accountability. Talk to one of our specialists today.